Hi friends and welcome back to another video. Today it is day 75 on hashtag ASR 99 days data science challenge. And today in this video we are going to look at the introduction on machine learning. So let's get started. So what is machine learning? Machine learning is a set of techniques that helps the machines to do better than humans they do better. So that means a machine can calculate this multiplication of two big numbers within a second or some milliseconds, but we humans cannot do it. But self-driving or communicating between two other humans. In this case, machines cannot beat us, and so they need some learning so as to be better than we humans. So how do we teach a machine? We cannot directly teach a machine, rather we need to train it, and then in order to check whether it works perfect or not, we need to test it. This way of teaching a machine is called the supervised machine learning, and there are some algorithms, and the popular ones are decision trees, naive Bayes, linear regression, and SVM. So machine learning is divided into three types, that is the supervised machine learning, unsupervised machine learning, and reinforcement machine learning. And these are the industries in which these three play a big part. And yeah, that's all for today in this video. And in this video we looked at the introductory part on machine learning. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like the video, leave a comment down below, and let's meet on day 76.